morning equally lay. In lips no steps had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day. And in the morning he found the both way is very same. No lips in lips no steps had trodden back. Means lips are falling on the road, but no anyone travel on the road. Oh, I kept the first for another day, and poet decided to choose the first road in another for another day. And you know how way lead on the way. I doubted if I should ever come back. Poet think about his decision and he decided to travel the second way, and he choose the second way. Second way is not a very clear, but he found the second way is a difficult for him to survive in the present age. The second age is a traditional way of living, way of writing, and the very few people who choose and who like the traditional poetries. In so, it is very difficult, but poet at last decided to choose the second way, and he think about the first way. When I am not success on the second way, then I just return and I travel on the first way. But I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that had made all the difference. But poet say in the last stanza, poet described his feelings and he said, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Very sorry, I have no time to come back or travel on the first way. And I was I was starting writing on the second way, and I get the position in the world of writing is better for the response of the second way. And poet says, somewhere ages and ages hence, times were passes, and ages and ages passes, but two roads diverge in a wood. The two roads diverge in a yellow wood, but it is very difficult to choose the way which is suitable for the poet. And at last, poet decided to choose the second way, and second way is very fruitful to him, and he got popularity in on the second way, and he became a famous poet to choose his way, and he has no time to come back to travel on the first way. And at last poet describes his feeling, I took the one less traveled by, I choose the one less traveled way, and that had made all the difference, or this selection made him different to the others. And poet also wanted to suggest students or the general people, if you wanted to be success in your life, then you choose the way which is difficult to you. Poet suggested them to choose the difficult way. Difficult way is a challenging way, but when you success on that way, your success is everlasting, and you get all opportunities on that way. But if you choose the cheap way, if you choose the modern way, that way you are success in the very initial time, but your success is not everlasting, and you are not different to the others. Like the poet made him different to the others to choose the second way. Thanks. I describe this poetry in a very short and I suggested the students to try to write question answer of this chapter, and if you feel any types of problems in this poem, you consult me or ask me about your problems, and I try to solve your problems.